The chase for space continues with industrial real estate. 2021 didn't slow down the velocity at which industrial trades, nor did it slow the compression of cap rates. They remained stable and in some cases continuing to compress some more. Industrial is kind of like when you think of Saturday Night Live, one of my favorite episodes was on the Weekend Update. And they had Get in the Cage with Nick Cage. And literally, we had Nicolas Cage and Nicolas Cage when Adam Sandberg was impersonating Nicolas Cage, and they were talking about like how every movie with Nicolas Cage has fire in it. Well, yeah, what does that have to do with industrial real estate? Well, it's kind of like the perfect storm. It's kind of like a Nick Cage movie. It's like it's got lots of fire because we have, especially here in Florida, we have the port that's getting bigger. We have more coming through here. We have a population migration here. And with commercial, you have residential leads and commercial follows. Our population is not slowing. We have all of those metrics in place. Across the United States, industrial still is strong, and we have a shift in supply chain continuing to come more stateside. And when I say stateside, let's just say Florida, because we've remained open. We are one of the top states realizing the value that is in industrial real estate. So when I talk about what is in store for 2022, industrial will remain strong. So we have e-commerce that's driving growth, but we still need manufacturing facilities. And we're talking about there's a shortage of industrial sites in all the key markets. And so when we talk about supply and demand, because we have a decreased supply that continues to fuel demand. And so when you look at overall, industrial is double as far as the rate of return than even the next commercial real estate sector. And so we are down to an overall vacancy rate nationwide of 4.1%, and it's even less than that in some states of Florida. So industrial of all the asset classes here will be the one to watch. And as far as the outlook for industrial real estate, I don't see any signs of slowing. You have the perfect storm, and that will continue to fuel this spectacular expansion. And I will post the particulars and more metrics to back this, but that's what I see. And my phone rings off the hook each day for some of my manufacturers needing to expand their facilities and buy more facilities, or investors wanting to come to our market. So the demand continues to be there. We are doing more construction here, but that, the demand is outpacing the overall construction. So keep watching industrial, and that is my outlook for 2022.